Hi everyone, thanks once again for watching this. I'm just going to talk about the 2 acres farmhouse near Thalli. This is just on the Hosur to Thalli road. This is on the main road, and we picked up this land a year back, and it was a barren land, and we picked up and we kind of brought the mango farming close to about 300 odd mango trees from Andhra Pradesh, and also few from Pune, few from Delhi. So we wanted to actually kind of create a best of the mangoes around Thalli. We observed that few of the mango varieties are not there, hence we kind of wanted to bring that. So you have seen that, and then we managed to put 6 feet away for every plant we planted, and that's grown like this. Apart from the mango plants, and we also kind of put a lot of fruit plantation around it, guava and chiku and coconut and lot more, about some 20-30 odd varieties of trees for this. You could see that it's kind of we spent a couple of months on making sure that rightly planted, and then plants are growing on. So after that, we just recently started a farmhouse there in the 2 acres on the top plot. You could see that in that, and there is a plan is also kind of kept there. And this is kind of a tiny house, maybe about 700 square feet house, which is facing towards the a farm, and rightly designed and beautifully located. And this is actually like on the way to completion, maybe months from today. And once this is kind of an east facing house, and one large hall and a small open kitchen, and 1 BHK house. And we wanted to create this for the people who wanted to come stay here. If you can observe this, and this is where we're looking at it, trying to make it little design moderately traditional plus the newly modern kind of house. And yeah, this is how it looks like in the hall. And we wanted to put a projector when people come, a small tiny kitchen, and then a decently sized bedroom. And this is actually kind of helps people to, when they come with a family of maybe a 4 or a 5 people. And we kind of also kept nicely kept a backyard for it, so that at least we know we can put some plants there, kind of a thing. And you could see there's a small, it's kind of in construction mode at this point of time, and observe that. And then we purposefully kept large windows, so that from the windows you could see the best of the farming around it, vegetable farm you could see. And from this large window you could actually see our farm completely, and all the 300-400 plants around that. And this is kind of hall, and then in the hall also we kept a kind of a big window on the right side, just beside the main door, that helps people to look at your farm. We're trying to create a transparent glass, so that people can actually view from inside, and also privacy from the outside people who are maybe working and this, that and all. And then on the left side we kept steps which makes you to go to terrace, and trying to make it little a veranda outside, where you can keep your you can actually keep the place where we can sit and chit chat with the people. So that's what we kind of managed to do it. And this will go up to the terrace, and we're planning to actually make this going towards the thing. And this is going to complete in next maybe a month's time, and it's all kind of beautifully designed 2 acres farmhouse, and which will people can come and do it. And then already mango fruits have come up this year. We're most probably going to go tomorrow to pluck them up also. Thank you. Please like, share and comment, and we're going to come up with more and more options for you on few videos. Thank you.